We're going to do a round turn 2 half hitch. What makes this a round turn half hitch? Well, we're going to come around 1 full rotation. So it can kind of look like 2 if we look at the side here, but really come around 1 whole time. We're going to tie a half hitch, dress that up, so we can tidy that up. On its own, remember, that's going to pull out. Now, if we just tie 1 more half hitch, that 1 half hitch is kind of like stopping the other half hitch from undoing. One of those knots that if you're in scouting in Scouts Canada, it's going to be one of the first 4 or 5 knots that you learn, and you're going to do a lot of ridge lines, hanging your clothes, your dishes, maybe an extra tarp if it's raining, or that's the tarp you're sleeping in, or whatever. It's a knot attached to something. Remember, the half hitch, pretty basic, but the problem with the half hitch is just a little bit of movement and pulling and it comes undone. When you get 1 round turn and 1 half hitch, I'll do this slower in a second, you could still have the same problem. Okay, so that's not awesome. So let's take a closer look at this round turn and 2 half hitch.